Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Respected teachers, faculty members, and professionals from various organizations, Assalamu alaikum. And also congratulations to my country fellows for the win of our national cricket team. As a part of organizers, I, Muhammad Awaz Zafar, warmly welcome all the participants, resource person, and director CEWRE in today's webinar on utilization of satellite precipitation data for ungauged catchments. Thank you, all of you, to joining us. Now we formally start our today webinar with the recitation of Holy Quran. For the recitation of few verses of Holy Quran, I would like to invite Hafiz Ahmad Hammad for the recitation.
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. أفرأيتم الماء الذي تشربون أأنتم أنزلتموه من المزن أم نحن المنزلون أأنتم أنزلتموه من المزن أم نحن المنزلون لو نشاء جعلناه أجاجا فلولا تشكرون أفرأيتم النار التي تورون أأنتم أنشأتم شجرتها أم نحن المنشئون نحن جعلناها تذكرة ومتاعا للمقوين فسبح باسم ربك العظيم صدق الله العظيم. I take refuge of Allah from the devil, the rejected one. Allah, in the name of the most affectionate, the merciful. So what is your opinion regarding the water that you drink Is it you who caused it to descend from the cloud? Or is it we who cause it to descend? If we will, we can make it bitter. So why do you not give thanks? So what is your opinion regarding the fire which you kindle? Is it you who grew its tree, or is it we who create? We have made it as a reminder of hell and as a utility for travels in the forest. Therefore, proclaim the purity of the name of your Lord, the greatest. Allah Almighty has spoken the truth. وَمَا عَلَيْنَا إِلَّا الْبَلَاغُ.
Jazakallah, Hafiz Ahmad Hammad.